What's going on, guys? Lynn here with another video for you all. Now, this is why you should get screen protectors for your devices. Y'all see that big old scratch? The scratch, you can't feel it with your hand, and I didn't even notice it until like a couple days ago. This is a fairly long scratch. It goes from here all the way down to here. This is my Kindle tablet. So I normally get screen protectors for all of my electronic devices. For some reason, I did not get one for the tablet. And now you see where we are. So what I purchased was the JETech tempered glass screen protector. And I am fairly angry that I actually have a scratch on my brand new Kindle Fire HD 10. I mean, I'm like legit mad. I have no idea how it happened. And I honestly do not recall. I assumed that with this big old case on it, that I would be okay. But that is a rather large, as you see, a rather large scratch. And you hear it. Like I said, you can't feel it. And you cannot see it, so let me turn it on. So here's the scratch. Well, you can if you're really looking for it, but just like looking head on, you can't see it. So there's that. So what I'm gonna do is put a screen protector on it to protect it from further damage. And again, I'm so mad at myself that I did not take it upon myself to get a screen protector before now. Again, I did not see where it would be like an issue. It has a lifetime warranty. All right, cool. But apparently it is. So, for you guys, if you do not have screen protectors on your Amazon Fire tablets, I highly suggest that you put a screen protector on your tablets. So this says, wipe it with the provided cloth. Clean dust with the blue dust film. Stick the two guide stickers on the lower left and upper right. Peel up. Okay, so let's try this. Might as well do it while y'all are here, right? So, let's take this case off. Hi. So we're going to take this off. And it said the first thing to do, wipe the screen with the provided cloth. All right. Let's wipe the screen with the provided cloth. Let me move this out the way. And let's see if we can get this done. I'm so angry. Y'all just don't know. Like, I take care of my items. I take care of my products. And that way when I sell items, it's in a new used state. And I see it. I see it. It's right there. Oh my gosh. I was so mad when I saw this scratch. All right. So it says clean it. Stick the two guide stickers on the lower left and upper right of glass protector respectively. So that is, okay. So let's take the glass protector out of the case. And it said peel off, so it'll be this way. So it said to okay, so it wants you to stick the 2 guide stickers on lower left and upper right. Peel off the film on the back. Alright, so it wants me clean dust on the screen. Stick 2 guide stickers on lower left and upper right. I'm not understanding where they want you to put it. Here and here? That's an odd place to put stickers. Peel off the film from the back. Use 2 guide stickers to align the glass protector with the edge of the screen, then apply adhesive side to the screen. Gently press the screen protector and remove all bubbles. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to do this the way I did my Nintendo Switch screen. And the way I did that, I had no bubbles, no issues. And what I did with that was, so this is going to go this way. So I guess we'll peel this off and that'll be sticky. So is there already film on there? Anyway, what I'm going to do is this. I will put a guide sticker here and here. So we're going to do this the way I did my Switch. So what I'm going to do, wipe this again. Make sure I get all the little edges and stuff. We're going to line it up so it'll go about right there. I'm trying to line it up to here. Okay, so that looks about right. It keeps sliding all over the place. So that looks about right. So what I'm going to do, put that there. And then put this one here. Alright, so that looks good. Now what we're going to do is fold this up. And what I'm going to do, oh shucks, the darn thing that came loose. Some guide stickers y'all have. Alright, let's try this again. As y'all see, it just came undone. So what I might do is put one in the middle too. Okay, so that looks like that's lined up. Okay, let me get some more. It should be, what is this? Oh, I think this is to get the stuff off. There aren't any more stickers? What is this? Why is that there if you can't peel it up? Okay, there we go. I'm assuming this is so you could get all the dust and stuff off the screen. So they did not give me enough stickers in my opinion. So what I'm going to do, gently lift this up. Again, this is real time, guys, okay? And peel. Up, moving the camera. Peel it. Oh, shit, and it came loose again. Let me just go and peel this off. See if I can put this back. Now it's off though. So let me tell y'all something, JETech. Y'all need to have enough guide stickers to where a person can have more if they want to add more. So as you see, it's doing its thing on its own. It's working its way out. Okay, and you still see that scratch, by the way. So now there is a piece of dust under there too. So now what I'm gonna do is take a work them out. There's one here. Work it out. And then there's one over here. Work it out. That's done. And there's a speck of dust right there that's gonna drive me freaking nuts. But everywhere else, it looks fine. That speck of dust, let me see if I can get that. I probably shouldn't lift this again, but I'm gonna see if I can get it. Alright, so let's see if we can get that speck of dust. Did we get it? Probably not. Nope, it's still there. Okay, let's lift it up again. This is the part I hate, is when you get dust in these things. Alright, let me see if I can lift it again. Try to get the dust. Again, guys, this is real time, so I really hate to have dust particles underneath screen protectors. I don't know about y'all, but for me, it's a problem. So let's lift this up again. See if we could get this dust. One little particle. Get out of there. And if we don't get it this time, I'm going to leave it be. Alright, so now it's working its way back down. And it looked like we may have gotten it, y'all. So let's work this out again. Then again, I don't know. Now that end don't even want to go down. Maybe the case will push it down. But it looks better than it did, in my opinion. So alright, so let's take these useless stickers off. And let's put the case back on. And see how I do. Oh, I'm livid, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I'm highly upset that I've got a freaking scratch on my Kindle. All right. So let's wipe it down again. So there's a smudge down here now. All right, so here's this. Let's turn it on. And you can't even see the smudge. It's all nice and shiny. It's still responsive, but again, you don't see it. So let's go to something like YouTube's. Let's go to the YouTube's. So there's the smudge. I was looking at videos on how to fix the scratches, but it does nothing. So what we're going to do is click on the video right quick. And it's my video, so I don't care. So let's make it big.
JETech, stating that Nintendo is reportedly
Okay.
launching 2 new Switch models this summer, including a premium.
Now let's look at different angles. You see how it's still nice and glossy and shiny.
And yeah, let's get on with the article here.
So I don't, there it is. There's the smudge and there's that, but you don't see it otherwise. You don't see it otherwise. So yeah, I guess that'll be it then. So this is just how it's gonna be. So yeah, that has been, I guess, an unboxing / installation of the JETech tempered glass screen protector for your Kindle Fire tablet, the 10-inch model. I will leave a link in the description of where you can purchase this screen protector if you so choose. Again, the only critique I have is for JETech to add more of these little guide stickers. So at least add 2 more so you can have, you know, a means of having a added protection for when you are putting the glass screen protector on. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. If you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos coming here in the near future. This is Lynn, aka GGT, Gaming, Gadgets, and Technology. And we'll see you all on the next one. Peace.